Hi, my name is Brett Payne, and I wanted to take this chance to discuss some of the important features of Microsoft Teams. Today's business environment has created some very unique challenges. Working outside of an office setting has prevented many organizations from being able to communicate and collaborate in a live office setting, necessitating a tool that can bring teams and individuals back together. And this tool is Microsoft Teams. I'm going to take you over to Microsoft Teams now so I can show you what it looks like. Okay, here we are. This is Microsoft Teams. On the left here, you can see the different tabs that compose Microsoft Teams. I'm going to take you through each one of these and highlight the different features. The first one is chat or instant message. Chat is a convenient way to have a brief conversation with someone when you don't require a blocked off meeting or a phone call. Should you have the need to go further, it's very simple to start up a video call right up here, or even share your desktop with that particular person. You can also add in additional people to the conversation should the need arise. The next tab is the Teams tab. This tab is the hub for team collaboration in Microsoft 365. It integrates the people, content, and tools your team needs to be more engaged and effective. From here, you can create teams that are focused on divisions, cross-functional teams that are focused on a particular project, or anything that require a place for a group of people to collaborate and share ideas. As you can see here, I've got several teams organized already: HR, legal, general, corporate, even events. Having all of your conversations organized by teams eliminates the need to pour through email threads looking for a specific piece of information. Furthermore, you have the option to search for specific people and keywords using the search functionality. From here, you can also share files with members of your team, and you can even collaborate on the same file in real time with those same members. So if I were to look here on the Christmas party, first off, we can see all the posts that have been created. Again, very easy to navigate. If I go over to files, you can see that an Excel spreadsheet has been placed in this particular team. I can click on this, it'll open up in its native format. Anyone on this team now can come into this document, edit it. They can add comments. Any changes that have been made, it'll be highlighted to say who's done it so we can follow what changes have been made. Very simple and very seamless. Video conferencing is a prominent feature found on Microsoft Teams. From here, as many as 300 people can join a conference call. When participants exceed the 300 individual limit, a Teams live event is created and can host up to 10,000 people at once. An important feature of these calls is that late participants can still be admitted by the moderator and can also view the entire presentation from the beginning. A large number of people can also be broken into separate groups to enable separate discussions and brainstorming sessions. An exciting feature of Teams is the integration of Miro, a virtual whiteboard that allows for enhanced collaboration between these live sessions, rather during these live sessions. Everyone can then be brought back together by the moderator, and each Miro whiteboard can be presented individually. These calls can all be recorded via Windows Stream. Access can then be provided via SharePoint to anyone internally or external. Now, something that is frequently brought up by many businesses is security. A specific challenge that different companies run into is the sharing of confidential or sensitive documents with the wrong team, or even being sent out externally to a different organization. These risks can be mitigated by using data loss prevention and Azure Information Protection, DLP and AIP respectively. From these two programs, rules and conditions can be established that would recognize information that can be considered sensitive or confidential. When there is a possibility of these documents being shared with the wrong team or ending up in the wrong hands, period, these rules can be enforced directly in Teams, preventing any breach of security. Likewise, the use of Microsoft Defender would protect your O365 environment, regardless of what type of device you would be using. The next tab is the Meetings tab. This calendar feature syncs with your Outlook calendar, making the access of your meetings seamless. The next tab is Calls. From here, you can make both internal and external calls. And the final tab is the Files tab. From here, any files you've uploaded can be accessed and shared to enable active collaboration. So these are just a few of the more prominent features found on Microsoft Teams. This is an excellent tool for any organization, especially at a time when collaboration from a home setting is important. Thank you.